Hello, everyone. I'm Army veteran Ananda Fazal with another edition of VA News. The number of women in the military has increased over the last few decades, and that means the number of women veterans has also increased. VA wants those women who are transitioning out of the military to know about the many specialized healthcare services available through VA. VA's Women's Health Transition Training Program was developed by VA Women's Health Services, the Department of Defense, and the Transition Assistance Program, and includes valuable information on the wide range of women's healthcare services offered by VA, the process and eligibility requirements for enrollment in VA healthcare, and how to stay connected with other women veterans through various networks and programs. For more information on VA benefits and services available for women veterans, contact the Women's Veteran Call Center at 1-855-VA-WOMEN or visit blogs.va.gov. 5 years ago, Marine Corps veteran Frederick Narday returned to service, but this time it wasn't military service. He became a certified peer support specialist, dedicated to helping fellow veterans whose futures were as uncertain as his once had been. Mr. Narday served as a peer specialist for a recent study at the VA Pittsburgh Healthcare System, helping veterans enrolled in U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development VA Supportive Housing manage their mental health and substance misuse challenges. Actively and significantly engaged in their own recovery from mental health issues, VA peer specialists like Mr. Narday serve as success stories for their fellow veterans. The study showed veterans reported being less isolated, more integrated in their community, and more involved in recovery activities with support from a peer specialist. To learn more about peer specialists and how they improve veterans' lives, visit blogs.va.gov. The family of deceased World War II Coast Guard veteran Arturo Antonsanti recently received something that was long overdue, a Purple Heart Medal. Captain Matthew Thompson, commanding officer of U.S. Coast Guard Sector St. Petersburg, presented the medal to Mr. Antonsanti's family during an all-hands-on call, February 4th. Mr. Antonsanti passed away in 2008 at James A. Haley Veterans Hospital in Tampa after having been a patient at both Haley and Bay Pines VA medical centers for years. On March 9, 1944, while off the coast of Iceland, a German submarine torpedoed Mr. Antonsanti's ship, which broke in half before sinking. Of the 199 crew members aboard the Leopold, only 28 managed to survive. Accepting the posthumous honor, Mr. Antonsanti's daughter, Annabelle Weiss, said her father would have been absolutely thrilled by the ceremony. To find more stories like these, visit blogs.va.gov. That's all for this edition of VA News. I'm your host, Ananda Fazal. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your service.